Hey, how's everybody doing? This is Jose. I'm gonna do another short video on dual polymer. This time I will be washing the truck, and it's somewhat clean. It's got a little road grime, and after I get done washing, I will be adding dual polymer to the truck, and then I will be adding the tire and trim onto it also. As you can tell, it's just a little dirty, not too bad. But I just want to add the protective coating on it from the polymer to protect from road grime and everything else living in Colorado. So this is the before, and once I get done washing it, I will be doing the after, just a walk through of it and letting you guys know how it all came out. Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video of how dual polymer worked. This is the day after. Got a little nasty yesterday, but it didn't rain, and you can see that the plastics came out black again. They're not dying out or anything like that. And the windshields were also done, or the windows and windshields were also done with the dual polymer. The only reason I washed the truck was I had a little bit of extra time and had nothing going on, so I figured I'd just rinse it is all I did. I used a pressure washer and just added soap to it and just pressure washed it off, and then rinsed it and then added the dual polymer and did the whole truck with it. If you do have any questions about dual polymer, please let me know, and I'll get back to you with that answer. Thank you very much for watching.